Darts here. Now in the last video you saw my start for the hunt for chestnuts. Got some pretty big ones. But how many did I actually manage to find? That's the question. Well, there you go. I got loads. In the last video you can see this like curved kind of branch in the middle of the screen. Ironically, that was perfect for me to actually scoop through and find all these. Perfect shape just to scoop through and bash any Romanian casings. So yeah, that's a really good chestnut haul. I literally only scanned an area about 5 meters across. Really, really great haul. I might try and get more of these tomorrow. Survivalist gold mine. I do like to forage for stuff, and on my top of the list this year, or this time of year in autumn, has got to be the chestnut. Full of goodness, full of flavour. Now, I'm wondering how I'm going to cook them. I'll show this one real quickly. Look, this is one I've peeled already. Now, normally I put them all as they are on the baking tray for about half hour or so, and they all bake and cook, and then I can just peel them and eat them. But I was thinking of maybe peeling them first and then cooking them. And I can eat them straight as they are. They are absolutely delicious. But I was also thinking about adding them to a meal, see, that I've already prepared. So you've got potatoes here, asparagus, onions, and mushrooms. And I thought maybe I could put these in there as well, and they'll cook with it. But I don't know if it's going to poison the dish, poison the meal, because I know that obviously they've got, I can't remember the chemical right now, but they've got like a chemical on them that's poisonous, and when you bake them, it neutralises that. So I need to look into that. I may just cook them with their shells on, stick to what I know, and then eat them as they are. Well, anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, just thought I'd let you know. Oh, got a bit of a situation there. Yeah, so I thought I'd just show you those. So got some really big ones.